Hi kids! Let's learn color with delicious fruit, animal, and object.
Pink. Pink.
Donut is pink. Flamingo is pink. Cupcake is pink. Pig is pink. Octopus is pink. Flower is pink. Pink donut. Pink flamingo. Pink cupcake. Pink pig. Pink octopus. Pink flower.
Brown. Brown.
Cookies is brown. Acorn is brown. Box is brown. Bear is brown. Monkey is brown. Chocolate is brown. Brown cookies. Brown acorn. Brown box. Brown bear. Brown monkey. Brown chocolate.
Black. Black.
Crow is black. Spider is black. Gorilla is black. Sheep is black. Umbrella is black. Tire is black. Black crow. Black spider. Black gorilla. Black sheep. Black umbrella. Black tire.
White. White.
Milk is white. Swan is white. Polar bear is white. Dove is white. Snowman is white. Egg is white. White milk. White swan. White polar bear. White dove. White snowman. White egg.
Gray. Gray.
T-shirt is grey. Whale is grey. Howler is grey. Wolf is grey. Sofa is grey. Cat is grey. Grey t-shirt. Grey whale. Grey howler. Grey wolf. Grey sofa. Grey cat.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the Yellow Bee TV YouTube channel and click the bell to receive notifications when there are new videos.